Hey guys, happy Friday and start to the weekend. So I'm already home. Well, I just got home maybe like 10 minutes ago. But I did already put on comfy clothes. Is anyone else like immediately when you get home you put sweatpants on? Because that is how I am. But I'm changing out wax. I think I'm gonna put in a bar of Scary Good because it's kind of like crappy rainy. It's not raining, but it's like disgusting out. The temp is 66. Maybe you can see that back there on the what is that called? The temperature control. Oh my god, I'm having a brain fart. Horrible start to the vlog. But I'm gonna put in some Scary Good, I think. I need to find something to eat. Cory's out and about for the night, so he low-key left the place a bit of a mess. Just saying. But I think I'm gonna do my live tonight. I'm trying to get my Fragrance Friday to upload. It's being a total pain in my butt. So I'm gonna see if I can get that done, maybe eat, and then maybe do the live later tonight. I'm like low-key kind of nervous, but like it's fine. I mean, I already do videos, right? But I've never done a live before. Can you tell I'm nervous? So yeah, we'll see where the weekend takes us. We got one whole extra day for Labor Day, so we really don't have that many plans, but we'll see what happens. Hey guys, so it's Saturday morning. We did the live last night. It was so much fun. I'm not sure how to, I don't know if it's on my YouTube or not. I can see it under my like uploads, but on my phone under like videos it just says waiting, like as if it's waiting to upload, but it's not going anywhere. It did that all night, so hopefully you guys can see it. Worst case, maybe I'll put a link to it somewhere if you guys want to like rewatch it or whatever. But it was so much fun. I stayed up way too late after, just like because I was living in the moment. I was in such a good mood. I had such a good time. But this morning, I'm going upstairs. I'm sorting through the wax. I'm making a melting basket. It's kind of one of the things we talked about on there. I definitely need to do that. But I probably need to run some errands today. I have ER right here. He's hanging out. I think Cory plans to come home today. I'm not entirely positive, but I feel like I really want to get out my fall decor. We'll see if I make some coffee, make the melting basket, and can get out my fall decor. Big task for the day. But I should probably like start the laundry and stuff. I'm just not feeling super motivated this morning. But it's like, I think it's after 8:30. I'm still just like, and I'm supposed to get some FedEx packages today, but each day, there's one of them was supposed to come yesterday. They just keep delaying them. So hopefully they come today. So happy Saturday morning. Okay guys, what more could you ask for on a Saturday morning? We have some baskets. This is what we chopped last night, so I need to organize that. Going to figure out my melting baskets. Got some coffee, got Lisa Rowberry. What more could you ask for? Let's pick out some melting baskets. Hey guys, I'm back. It's been a little bit, but I'm in my wax closet, as you can tell, and I'm feeling a bit better. I went through my stash. Here's my coffee items up here, but otherwise I went through my stash, these 3 drawers, not my loaves, but everything else, and I organized everything by date so that this side has the oldest stuff to the newest stuff, and I think that's really going to help me when I'm pulling, to make sure I'm pulling the items that I need to use up first. I know we kind of talked about that on the live last night as well. Like I said, I didn't do loaves, but that's on my list to do. I might actually just do those next while I'm up here and feeling motivated. However, well, I do have these few bars. That's an empty, but I have these few bars I need to do something with. Otherwise, I pulled some melting baskets. So
these things I think I'm going to kind of work on this weekend, just like as I go. This is something I'm trying to use up, so also I'm going to work on that this weekend and just kind of try to get through it. Same with these little shot cups. I figured I could maybe use these in the bedroom this weekend. I don't really know. I did pick out these 3 samples though that I want to use up this week in the mornings. I did Rose Girls Blackberry Mango Cupcake, Rose Curls Cupcakes at Tiffany's and Cookie Land, and then another one from her, Blue Hawaiian and Gilligan's Brew. So I think it's supposed to be like the last few nice days, so I did want to do those. And then this is my office melting basket. So I think each day, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday is kind of my plan. That seems probably way too particular, but that's kind of how I'm going with it. So I think on Monday, I'm going to try to do some apple fritter donut holes. This sounds like, this is one of my favorite scents. My mouth's watering already wanting to do it. And then I think I'm going to bust into this loaf on Tuesday. It's carbs with girlfriends. We chopped this last night. And then I made a note that I really want to work on my L3, including my scoops, because scoops is something I feel like I kind of forget about or neglect. So we have strawberry, vanilla, buttercream, cuppy cake, zucchini bread. So, and then also none of these are very full. So I think on Thursday I'm going to do maybe this pumpkin apple muffins here in my office because it only has 4 cubes and I love the scent of this. But I also only have 4 cubes of this lemon pumpkin shortbread, and this apple cider donut has a bit, but like this is hardly any wax. So I might do a combo. These, oh my gosh, I don't want to break the whole thing because these are, OMG. Whatever. I think maybe I'll do like a combination of this to fill my warmers in my office since I need more than 4, but not 8. So we'll do this and then finish up this and the other 4 use up the 4 cubes and the other 2 warmers upstairs. I enjoy this lemon pumpkin shortbread, but once it gets too much into the fall, I really get a lot of lemon in it. So like it's not super fall to me, but it's like kind of fall. Okay, so there's that. This is a big basket of things that I want to keep my eye on, but I'm not quite pulling yet for a melting basket. And then, this is going to be downstairs. OMG, you guys. I didn't think about this when I decided that I was going to get on camera. Okay, so this is the downstairs melting basket. I'm going to do tea and cakes on Monday. I know I said I wanted to do the melted mousse, this American Dream scent on Labor Day, but I think I'm actually going to do this tomorrow just because we'll be home for most of the day tomorrow and I want to enjoy it, versus I feel like I can do this in the morning or when we get back on Labor Day because we might be out and about for Labor Day festivities. So that's a slight change up, but that's kind of what I'm thinking. And then I pulled Strawberry Cookie Land for Tuesday. It's supposed to be, like I said, a little bit nice this week, and I really want to get some work done on this loaf because I've already chopped it all, and I feel bad if I put it away for like next spring, summer. I just kind of want to use it. And then for my L3 day, I pulled this loaf in strawberry pound cake. Today is October 3rd. I love this, but I haven't gotten enough use out of it, so I really want to revisit it. For Thursday, I pulled Farm Apple Pumpkin, and just so happens that it has 8 cubes left in it, and I happen to have 8 spots in the open concept, so I'm really excited. This is just such a fall classic. And then I did pull my sugar cookie brick. I may end up using this as a mixer or bringing it to work, but regardless, I need to do some brick work, so we got that going. And then you can tell I only pulled through Thursday. My Harvest Collection items are supposed to get here this week, hopefully before Friday, and then so probably Friday, Saturday, Sunday of like later next week, I'm gonna work on going through those. So I'm so excited. I'm feeling better now than I was last night and even this morning. So yay. You guys, right as I was done finishing that last clip, we got some really exciting deliveries. So first, we have all of the new drop candles from maybe last week, 2 weeks ago, old fashioned cider donut. Can't wait to unbox these, and possibly the most exciting box of the year. I'm freaking out, you guys. I'm so excited that this arrived. It shipped, and I got the notification, but I really didn't, like, you don't get an email. I was just checking on it. I'm freaking out. I'm so excited. I can't wait to share this. You guys probably have seen the videos already. They should be up by now, but I can't wait to unbox these too.
Cory is making us some roast in the crock pot tonight. Cory, what did you say this is? It's pork.
It's a pork shoulder.
Pork shoulder roast. Cory is cleaning out the fire pit. We're gonna have a fire tonight. So he's doing some work cleaning it out. Hey, Don's screaming down.
Okay, so our dinner is ready. This was the pork shoulder, Cory said. And so is a big hunk of meat in there. Oh, sorry. And then you took all the meat out and you took all the juice. What is that? There's
Correct.
excess
So,
juice.
Like, here's the
Oh yeah, there's a big bone
that was all on there.
holding it together, I guess.
Yeah, oops. And then if you do it correctly, it should just, fall off just like that. So,
And we put it in like 1 something, and it's 723.
yeah.
So it went out, and we did it on high.
Yep,
It went
on
for quite a
high.
while.
And then you pull the juices out just so when you have leftovers, you can, kind of
Oh.
allow it to soak in.
That makes sense.
I was telling Ashley, though, it's interesting. Like, if you're going to do this, and if you have access, we have a Traeger, which I enjoy smoking meats. It gets very juicy in the crock pot, but there's not a lot of, like, crispness to it, which I kind of like that crunch. I think you like the juiciness more, probably.
Yeah.
So
We'll have to go back and forth.
that's kind of the experiment I've been playing with the last couple of weeks.
And you put, what'd you put on it?
Onion powder, garlic powder, and then just a pork rub that I really like.
And then we saw somewhere, Cory saw somewhere to add, don't put the barbecue in with it because it like...
Yeah, because it'll crystallize, and then it's tough to... and then the barbecue will burn over that whole time, so just let your meat cook, and then put the barbecue sauce on after. And I would prefer that, because...
Yeah.
Then I know what the meat actually tastes like.
Yeah, no, and it's really good. So we just wanted to show you guys. And we made beans. I don't know if I said that. We made beans with it. Cool.
Hey guys, so it's Monday morning. It's Labor Day. We have the day off for the holiday. We ended up having a bonfire last night, which I did not share, but we had some friends over, so we were just kind of enjoying the moment. But Cory made some coffee this morning for me, and I'm tired as heck. Like, I'm so tired today. We were gonna get up at like 6:30, like normal time for work, and I literally got out of bed like after 8. I'm just like not feeling it today. But I'm gonna try to wake up. We're gonna try to get on the road. We might go out for breakfast, and then we're going to see my parents. So hopefully I can get ready in the next 20 minutes or so to leave.
Okay, so before we go to breakfast, Cory is doing some packaging of some orders. Could you tell us what you're doing?
Yes, I sold some cards on Twitter because I'm trying to acquire some new cards. So I had to sell some. Picked that up at the card show. I think it was.
Was it the one that we were at?
Yeah.
So yeah, if you remember, we went to the card show to look at cards to buy. Now we're flipping the cards for some money. Well, Cory, this is his side hustle. And this is him packaging up an order. So what's your next game plan? You want to buy some other cards?
Yeah, I want to buy some of the same player because that is one of my favorite players is Trae Young. But in like a perfect graded 10 of a specific thing when I get them. Which
You'll share them with us?
I will.
This is our breakfast for the day. Went with the French toast, and then Cory went with an egg and biscuits and gravy. It looks real good. Hey guys, it's Ashley. So it is the end of Monday night. We went to my parents. I don't know if I even said that earlier. That's where we were like getting ready to go. They had kind of like a little town celebration for Labor Day. So we went to see them and go to that. It was really fun. It was very hot though, so we were a little bit exhausted afterwards. But we, on our way back into town, got our grocery pickup for the week, so that was good. I am waiting for laundry to get done, and then I'm going to wash my hair, and then I'm gonna put on these nails. I don't know if that's gonna focus. I'll share them with you guys once I actually put them on. It might be like in Instagram, a little clip or something, but I wanna wash my hair first and then put them on, just so I don't totally destroy them right away. But I'm just waiting for the last few minutes of laundry because it's the delicates and I gotta fold those right away or it drives me mad. So all in all, it was a really cool weekend. It seems like it was forever, but also no time at all. So back to work, I guess, but it is a short week for us. So here comes Cory. Do you have any closing thoughts to say to the vlog? No thoughts from Cory. So that's all, wrapping up the weekend. We'll see you next weekend.